Hey guys, this is just a quick follow-up video to my last installment of the Philco 90 restoration series. First off, I want to thank you for all the support and suggestions you've been giving me throughout this series. In particular, I've been getting some suggestions with regards to installing the chassis on these rubber shock mounts. The trouble I was having is as I slid the chassis into place, these would get knocked out of position. And I had mentioned in the video the possibility of gluing these to the wood and the hassle that might be, and several of you said, well, why don't you glue them to the chassis? Yes. I do in fact have some GC rubber to metal cement and some good old contact cement, both of which might very well do the trick. So next time around I will definitely give that a try. But also I discovered something I'd never seen before. I found this little metal clip, and when I looked in the cabinet, I saw the remains of a couple others in the holes where the screws go through. And I also noticed that the chassis washers I'd removed all had one area where they were kind of chewed up, or a bit had broken out. So, it sure looks to me like what they did is they would position the rubber bit over the hole in the wood, and they would drop this clip down and push it in from the side such that one prong was in the wood and one prong was in the rubber to hold them into place while they position the chassis around. Nifty little solution. I tried pushing it into this modern neoprene rubber or whatever these are made out of, and it doesn't really stick too well. It's too spongy, it won't penetrate. But whatever these were made out of, I mean, certainly it does now because they're rock hard. But back in the day, it seemed like that's how they held them in place. I just thought you all might find that interesting.